Dear students, today we are going to discuss linear equations in one variable. Linear equation in one variable, chapter 2. So, to understand what is linear equation in one variable, let us recall what is an equation. What is an equation? So, to understand this, what is an equation, let us consider a situation. The situation is Lakshmi's father is two times Lakshmi's age. If Lakshmi's father is 40 years, then what is Lakshmi's age? To solve this problem, how to create, how to express using variable. First of all, what you are going to calculate? Now, what is Lakshmi's age? What is Lakshmi's age? So, to do so, first of all, you have to consider Lakshmi's age is unknown. So, unknown are written by the small letters of English alphabet. Let Lakshmi's age is X years. So, her father's age will be how much? 2x years. But here the question says that what is Lakshmi's father's age? Now 40 years. But here we are representing Lakshmi's father as 2x years. So according to question or as per the question, 2x is equal to 40. And you got one statement. In this statement, left hand side is 2x. What is the right hand side? Now 40, and both sides left hand side is equal to right hand side. This statement. So such statements are called equation. Such statements are called equation. And so what is the equation now? You got one equation. So equation means equation is an equality. Equation is an equality of two expressions. Means one left hand side will be equal to right hand side. In between left hand side and the right hand side, there is a sign equality. So equation always carries carries equality sign. That is this is called the equality sign. Clear now? For some example, 3x plus 1 equals to 5. You see, this is left hand side and this is right hand side, and both sides are written in equality form. So this is called an equation. And here what is the left hand side? Now 3x plus 1. What is the right hand side? Now 5. And what is the variable? Now variable is x. But our chapter is linear equation. You clear about what is an equation? What is equation you clear now. But what is linear equation in one variable? So to understand this, you see here, in suppose you take one equation, I wrote here 1x plus 3 equals to 5, and what is the variable here? Now variable is equal to x. This is the variable. But what is the degree of this variable? Degree of x is equal to 1, that is 1. So this is called this whole statement is called a linear equation. So now you got one linear equation. Linear equation means an equation of degree 1 is called linear equation. For an example, you see 2y minus 5 equals to 3. Here what is the variable? The variable is y. What is the degree of this variable? Y? Now 1. So this is called linear equation. Clear? And linear equation in one variable. But how many variables are there? 2. Sorry, 1. So that's a linear equation in one variable. Take another equation. Another equation you see 4x plus 5 equals to you take 25. Here what is the variable? Now x. What is the degree? What is the highest exponent of this? X. Now 1. So this is called the linear equation in one variable because one variable is there. So now let us have some other equations like suppose I wrote here x square minus 1 that is equal to 8. And here what is the variable? X. What is the exponent of the variable? Not 2. Or so here the power of the variable x is not 1 but 2. So this is called quadratic equation. So what is a quadratic equation? This is such type of equations are called quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means an equation of degree 2 is called quadratic equation. For an example, y square minus 1 equals to 24. Here what is the exponent? Not 2. So that's a degree is 2. So that's a called quadratic equation. So some equations you here 3y square plus 5 equals to 8. This is also linear quadratic equation. Some other let us consider another equation you see here 2x cube minus 1 equals to suppose you take 1. So here what is the variable? Now x is the variable. What is the exponent? Now 3. But this is not called a linear equation because the exponent is not 1. This is also not called a quadratic equation because the exponent is not 2. But what is the exponent here? Not 3. So such equations are called cubic equation. What is you say? Such equations are cubic equation. So now what is cubic equation? What is cubic equation? Now an equation of degree 3 is called cubic equations. Example you take here 2y cube minus 1 equals to 1. This is cubic equation. Y cube minus 8 equals to 0. This is also cubic equation. So but remember that our chapter is a linear equation in one variable. Degree 1, variable 1, such type of equations are called what? Now linear equation in one variable. But quadratic, cubic equations are not discussed in your class. It is discussed in the higher classes. So now suppose you take one equation 2x is equal to 1. Here, what is the variable? Now x. What is the exponent here? 1. So such type of equations are called linear equation in one variable. So here, what is the left hand side? In a 2x. What is the right hand side? In a 6. And both sides are balanced for some values of x. You supply a value for x, you will see the value of the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. आमे इठी x रो value गोटे सप्लाई करी देले लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रो वैल्यू जेतिक आसीबो ताहा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सहित मिसी जीवो सेही प्रकार वैल्यू को आमे इक्वेशन रो कोन को ना सॉल्यूशन को देखिबा आर सॉल्यूशन केमिति बाहर करिबा आमे एक जगह रे कोन कहले 1 को सप्लाई कर देले त लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ता कोन हे गला 2 into 1 equals to 2 इठी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 2 टा 6 सहित समान हो नाही इटी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड टा राइट हैंड साइड सहित समान हेलानी पुणी x रो वैल्यू 2 सप्लाई करो देखो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कोन होची ना 2 into 2 दैट इज इक्वल टू 4 इठी मध्य LHS टा कोन हेला ना RHS सहित समान हेला नाही देखो इठी x इज इक्वल टू 3 सप्लाई कर दियो देखो कोन होची LHS टा ना 2 into 3 दैट इज इक्वल टू 6 ताले इठी LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS so एटा को आमे कहूचे x is equal to 3 is the solution of the equation 2x is equal to 6 so here कहीं ना कहीं x रो जेकोनसी एक वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देले लेफ्ट हैंड साइड टा राइट हैंड साइड सहित कोन हो जाए समान हो जाए तेणु से प्रकार वैल्यू को आमे सॉल्यूशन कहबा बेले बेले सॉल्यूशन पिला भूल कर लिखते मन कर इठी आमे सॉल्यूशन कौन पाइले ना x इज इक्वल टू 3 इज द सॉल्यूशन नॉट ओनली 3 जदि कहीं लिखिला 3 इज द सॉल्यूशन दिस इज रॉन्ग एमिति लिखा जाए नहीं ताले एबे बता सॉल्यूशन रा में डेफिनेशन दे दबा सॉल्यूशन ऑफ an equation आमे इक्वेशन रो सॉल्यूशन टा कोन ना एबे लिखि दबा फॉर दोज वैल्यूज ऑफ द वेरिएबल x for those values of the variable x both sides of an equation become equal or same such values of the variable x are called solutions of the equations. Now students, now let us how to check how to check solution verification. Verify that x is equal to -1 is the solution of the equation 1 minus 2x is equal to 3. Here what? Now one equation is given to us and one solution, and this is a solution of this equation we are going to verify. How to verify? Now we have to supply x value -1 in the left hand side. आमे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे कौन करबा ना x रो वैल्यू इटी कौन करबा ना सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दबा और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को सिंपलीफाई करी तार वैल्यू काढिबा जदि देखि दबा सेटा राइट हैंड साइड से समान हेई जाउची ताले सॉल्यूशन हेई गला नल नाही ताले केमित करबा ना आगे लिखबा गिवन इक्वेशन इज given equation is 1 minus 2x is equal to 3. Now substitute x is equal to minus in the left hand side. आम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे आगे सब्स्टिट्यूट करवा देखा राइट हैंड साइड कौन in the LHS of the equation. So we get, what will we get? What is the left hand side here? 1 minus 2x. Here we have to substitute. First 1, no x is there, minus 2 into, here x is there here. So here you write 3. So that is equal to, so we get LHS is equal to 1 minus 2 into 3, that is equal to 1 minus 6, that is equal to minus 5. What is the left hand side you got? Now minus 5. But however, what is the right hand side? No, you have to substitute x value minus 1, minus 1. You have to substitute x value minus 1, not minus 3, wrongly I have substituted. 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. So which is equal to RHS. So hence x is equal to minus 1 is the solution. Verified. So one more question we take. Check whether x is equal to minus 2 is the solution of the equation 3x plus 5 equals to 1. We are given an equation, आम गोटे इक्वेशन देइछि आ एटा तार सॉल्यूशन की नुह आमे चेक करिबा बा वेरीफाई करिबा. ताल प्रथम आमे लिखि दबा गिवन इक्वेशन इज सॉल्यूशन आंसर. Given equation is 3x plus 5 is equal to 1. Substitute x is equal to minus 2 in the left hand side. Equation substitute. Equation or left hand side substitute karibo. Equation. So now you have to see what becomes LHS. So LHS is equal to 3 into this x. In this x you write here what? Minus 2. Then what is it? Plus 5. Don't write some equals to 1. You have to write only left hand side because we are going to see LHS is equal to RHS or not. आमको देखिए पड़ो LHS टा RHS तो समान. तेणु RHS लिखु ना. First to get the product 3 minus 2 जा minus 6 plus 5, that is equal to minus 1. What is the left hand side you got? Minus 1. But in the equation what is the right hand side given? 1. So it is not equal to. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence x is equal to minus 2 is not the solution. So now one more question you see. If x is equal to minus 1 is the solution of the equation 1 minus 3kx equals to 4, find k. In this question, what is that? Now one equation is given and one solution is given. Solution is already clear. But in previous question we are going to verify such values are a solution or not. Here already solution is given. One equation is given and its solution is given. So how to find k? How to find k from this equation? So first you write given equation is 1 minus 3kx is equal to 4. And the solution is x is equal to minus 1. And here solution is already given, means both left hand side and right hand side are equal. for solve. If you substitute x value minus 1, so both sides will be equal because it is a solution. But in previous questions we are not confirmed that these are the solutions. So that's why आमे पूर्व क्वेश्चन मानकरे से सॉल्यूशन देई नथिला तेनु आमे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे सब्स्टिट्यूट करूथले सेटा को आमे राइट हैंड साइड सहित मिलाउथले समान हैला कि नाही किंतु इठी सॉल्यूशन देई देइछ माने ये ऑलरेडी एई वैल्यू पई ए इक्वेशन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड तो समान. सो यू राइट हियर सब्स्टिट्यूट x is equal to -1 in the equation. Here left hand side लिखिबनी आमे इक्वेशन कारण एटा इक्वेशन सब्स्टिट्यूट करे कारण लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड सब समान. सो 1 minus 3k into in this x here you write here what? No, -1 as it is negative put in the bracket equals to how much? Now 4. So this implies 1 plus 3k equals to 4. So what is 3k? Now 4 minus 1 that is equal to 3. So what is k? 3 by 3 equals to 1. So you got k equals to 1. Clear now? And you know how to solve the equation. How to solve an equation. How to solve an equation you are going to discuss. Suppose an equation is given 2x plus 3 equals to 5. How to solve it? And you know there is one which method? Transposition method. First this 3 will be transposed to the right hand side. So what becomes 2x is equal to 5 minus 3 that is equal to 2. So what is 2x? You got 2. So what here 2 will be transposed. So x is equal to 2 by 2 that is equal to 1. So recall in class 7 you all were doing like this. Which method? Now transposition method. Transposition. You are applying transposition. You are going solving. For an example, 4x minus 1 equals to 7. Suppose 7. So first minus 1 will be substituted at that side. So 4x is equal to 7 plus 1. So 4x is equal to 8. Then this 4 will be x is equal to 80 by 4 equals to 2. For another example, x by 3 minus 1 equals to suppose 2. Here 3 will not be substituted first. First minus 1 will be transposed. So x by 3 equals to 2 plus 1. So x by 3 equals to 3. Then x is equal to 3 into 3 that is equal to 9. Clear now? So for some other type of question is there. Okay. So now you will solve your exercise questions. That's all.